In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a website into a PWA app step by step using a simple and beginner-friendly method. This is perfect if you have a WordPress site hosted on Pantheon and you want your website to behave like a real mobile app with an install button, home screen icon, and offline-ready features. You don't need to write any code, and you don't need to hire a developer. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard on Pantheon. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then choose Add New. This is where we'll install the plugin that turns your website into a progressive web app. Next, use the search bar on the Add Plugins page and type in SuperPWA. Wait a moment for the results to load, and when you see the SuperPWA plugin appear, go ahead and click Install Now. After the installation finishes, click the Activate button. This enables the plugin on your website. Once SuperPWA is activated, you'll notice a new settings page for it. Open the SuperPWA settings, and the first thing you'll do here is type in the name of your app. This is the name users will see when they install your website on their phone's home screen, so make sure it's clear and matches your brand. After that, it's time to choose an app icon. Scroll down to the icon section and click on Select Files. From here, choose Media Library so you can use an existing image or upload a new one if needed. Select the image you want to use as your app icon, then click Choose Icon. You'll see a preview showing how the icon will look on a mobile device. If everything looks good, double-check your settings and then scroll down and click Save Settings. This step is very important because your PWA won't work until the settings are saved properly. Now let's test the install prompt. Grab an Android phone and open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type in your Pantheon site URL. Once the site loads, wait a few seconds. You should see a small bar appear at the bottom of the screen saying Add to Home Screen. Tap it, confirm the action, and that's it. Your website is now installed as an app on your phone. You can open it directly from the home screen, just like a normal app, and your users can do the same. This is a great way to improve user experience, increase engagement, and make your website feel more professional. And that's how you convert a website into a PWA app using WordPress and Pantheon. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.